De lari Yamala, Mamaya Guanamala Studio, Rika Gambela, Ethiopia. Mambanyo the Atama, the Nuer culture drum DJ created Kalojing 9. For those who don't understand what I'm saying, I'm sorry. I'm like that. If you want to learn how to create or produce a Nuer culture beat, I think you have to follow what I'm doing right now. I already put a template together, and then I think I will just follow that template. So please stick to this channel. Thank you. Uh, I create a loop. I call it Guanamalati. Okay. We have this. Okay. Alright. We have a word drum. Simply. For that, this is 1 and 20, and 1 and 20 is a little bit slow for no drum. No drum is around 1 and 60 there. Okay, I'm gonna let me try to sample it for you. You can hear that is a little bit slower. I mean on the tempo. I'm gonna make it 1 and 60. 160. Okay, let me try it. Yeah, something like that. Let me move it up. Okay. Well, that is a template. You can create your own. Simply, I just want to show you a little bit of clue. Okay, I'm going to change this stuff. I'm going to change the kick. Okay, like I always say, I love this kick right here from drum and percussion ultra beat. I love this down tempo kit 02. Okay, okay. Okay, let me do it. Okay, now I already create this thing. What I will do, I have to quantify this. Okay, I'm gonna make it like 8 bar to be on the bar. Okay, look, because simple coding this. Okay. Okay. I'll make sure that I decrease the volume of the kick. Just like that, I just want to show you a simple way of how to produce it. Just simply, in Logic you can do it. It's that simple. Okay, the key goes, yeah, tick, tick, tick. Okay, then this. Something like that. Let me create okay, let me put this. Okay. Okay, I just put this. Okay, 116 there. Okay. Yeah, you can hear it. In my car, wake up a young. And in my car, wake up a young. Wake up a day, oh, good guy. I'm just trying to make fun, something like that. Okay, that's how you can get the drum that I just put it look like tag, 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 tag. Okay, I can put this. Yeah. Okay. Chinyal ke bedu ngalade yang tene. Chawa chawudwa chal yang do chawa chawudwa chal yang do. That's how it is. You can put it to your music. You can edit it and just make it your own, man. That's it. Well, anyway, thank you for being here with me. This is Ganimal Studio in Gambia, Ethiopia. Big up. This is how you can create a new drum culture. Just is like that, okay? Shake back. I'll be giving you a lot of tutorial on this, but today is just a beginning.